Ladies and gentlemen, this is our home for the night. Premier Courtyard at Fullerton Hotel. Let me now give you an overview of this room. First, we have a king-size bed. Then we have a sofa here with 2 cushions. And then beside the bed, there are 2 side tables and side lamp. Now let's see what we have here at the minibar. This is a Nespresso machine. Then we have some complimentary water from Fullerton. Then nuts, chips, cup noodles, Walker biscuits, Oreos, and this is hand sanitizer, antibacterial wipes, and some wine, and then Evian water. Next, in the first drawer, we have TWG, some sugar, brown sugar, spoons, plates, cups, and over here we have Nespresso capsules. This is the second drawer. There are 2 glasses here and 2 wine glasses here and a wine opener here. And finally, at the third drawer, there is kettle, and I think this is ice bucket, and this is the fridge. We have some Cokes, Tiger, Heineken, some fruit juices. Then this would be wine, sparkling water, and mineral water. Hi, I'm now in the bathroom now. Let me show you how the bathroom looks like. Okay, first we have this full height mirror at the wall. Then here there's this bathtub. This bathtub has a tap and a handheld shower, hot water, cold water, but there's no bath salt for us, so I guess we have to ask from the receptionist later. Next to the bathtub is the shower. It comes with a rain shower and I guess this is a handheld shower. And these are the bath and shower essence, shampoo and conditioner. And there's a seat here if you are tired from showering. So this is the vanity. It comes with a huge mirror, 1 sink, body lotion, shampoo, bath and shower essence, some hand towels, glasses, toothbrush and vanity kits, perfume soap, tissue paper. There's a grab bar over here. Don't mistake it as a drawer. It's not a drawer, it's just a grab bar. Then below there's a small bench with towels. And then there's a drawer over here with a logo that says hairdryer. So you don't need to bring your own hairdryer. Next is this small cubicle room, which is a toilet room. This toilet bowl is a very smart toilet bowl. Let me show you what I mean. So when I stand in front, it automatically opens up. And the seat is very warm. And over here, you have a remote for the toilet, rear, front, and dryer. This is the place for you to put your luggage or your stuffs. And over here we have an iron with the iron board. Here we have some clothes hanger, 2 ropes, and 2 slippers. This is how the living room looks like. You have a chair here, a round table, a Samsung tab, remote, speaker, another chair here, And the TV is here. This is a cabinet beside the TV. We have a telephone here. Some power plugs over here with USB plugs as well. I finished my room tour, so now I want to reward myself with a cup of Nespresso coffee. Okay. See you later. This is the place at level 8. I thought that I can see the lobby from here, but actually I cannot see anything from here. So it's nice to just come and see the scenery. I think our room is that one. I think the second from the back at level 7. Let's see what's there. So from here we can see the Marina Bay Sands and the Art Science Museum. We have booked the pool at 5:30 p.m. and now we are here and it's raining. We are very unlucky. It's 6 o'clock now and it looks like the rain is going to stop soon, so I'm going to swim now. Today we are having dinner at Town Restaurant, which is located at the first story of Fullerton Hotel. We ordered this spicy peranakan satay babi and seafood hao fan. Both of these are not listed in Town Restaurant menu because it's under special menu called Fullerton Chef Create. The rice is quite spicy and the pork is also spicy. So if you are okay with spicy food, I think this is worth considering. For the price tag of $29 before GST, I think it's not bad. This seafood hao fan comes with clam, scallop and tiger prawn, bak choy and collagen soup. The soup is quite nice. It's sweet. If you are someone who likes seafood, then I think you will like it. having breakfast at Town Restaurant. This is the same place as where we had dinner yesterday. The serving is unlimited, but it's recommended that you eat one by one. In case you are wondering, this laksa comes with tau pork, then prawn, fish cakes, and I believe it's quail eggs. I think the laksa is not bad, so you can give it a try. Our next dish is nasi lemak. Here we got egg, then ikan bilis and peanuts, chili prawns, and fried chicken drumlets. This is the dim sum delights. We have glutinous rice, chicken char siu bun, chicken siumai, prawn siumai, hakao, and some chili. Our next meal is waffle. This is buttermilk waffle. It comes with chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and berry. The normal portion for the waffles comes with 3 waffles. This is the smaller portion. The berry sauce is quite sour. The chocolate is sweet. Overall, this is okay. Then we also have a seafood congee. This is the half portion. This is the egg for the congee. I really like this congee because the taste is just perfect. You don't need to add anything else. It's just perfect. It's a must order item at Fullerton breakfast, in my opinion. I just realized that if you sit outdoors, you can smell the fragrant smells of the flowers. And then I realized that there are actually flowers over here. This is the philatelic store. We are here to buy a stamp because we want to send a postcard later. This is the postcard that we will send to ourselves. It has a Fullerton stamp and Fullerton photo. Our staycation has ended, so we are heading home now. So see you in the next video.